Hi everyone, can you solve 7 plus 5 times 4 divided by 8? Some people will add 7 plus 5, which is 12, times 4 divided by 8. 12 times 4, you should know your multiplication table, is 48. Drop the divided by 8. And then 48 divided by 8, let's just half those. So half of 4 and half of 8. And half of 8 is 2, 4 divided by 4. And just half it again. So half of 2 is 1, half of 4 is 2, divided by half of 4 is 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? 6 times 2 gives you 12. So the answer must be 6. Wrong. This is not correct. Let me show you how to solve this correctly using PEMDAS correctly. And I'll rewrite the problem. And you start with multiplication because multiplication has higher priority than addition. And multiplication and division are both, those two operations are both within its own level. Is only which of those two you hit first. And in this math problem, we hit multiplication first, not division. So 5 times 4 is 20. Drop the division symbol and the 8. And then drop the 7 as well, 7 plus, I mean. And now we're looking at this. Division has higher priority than addition. So let's start with division. And we can have 20 to 10, half of 4 to 4. I mean, half of 8 is 4. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 4 is 2. So I already broke that down to 5 over 2. Next, we drop this 7 plus, and let's turn that into a fraction. 7 over 1 equals 7, does not change to 7, plus 5 over 2. Notice the denominators are different, so I will use the butterfly method, and you multiply 7 times 2 and 1 times 5, and these are your antennas, and here's the body, which gives you the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. Now, let's figure out the numerator. We have 7 times 2 is 14, and 1 times 5 is 5, and then you add 14 plus 5 is 19, and 19 over 2 is your improper fraction answer. Let's figure out the decimal and the mixed number to this improper fraction answer. The 2 is the divisor, and the 19 is the dividend. How many times can 2 fit into 19? Well, I know that 8 times 2 is 16, so that's getting close to 19. But if we do 9 times 2, what is 9 times 2? Hand trick, drop the 2. You have 10 numbers, you drop the 2, you got 1, 8. So that's 18. Ooh, we're that close. And then 9 times 3, hand trick again, drop the third number, 27. So that goes over 19. So I use this 9 because 18 is the closest we'll get to 19. So I write the 9 up there. 9 times 2 is 18. And that leaves us with 19 minus 18 is 1. 2 cannot fit into 1. So the 1 needs to borrow a 0. And so don't forget the decimal after the 9. The 1 becomes 10. And 2 can fit into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So your answer is, and I'll use the red color, is the mixed number is 9. So this whole number, the remainder 1 and the 2. So 1 goes above the fraction bar, 2 goes below the fraction bar, and that's the same as 9.5. And those are your correct answers. And there you go.